As the ruler of the waterways, crocodiles possess razor-sharp teeth and an incredible bite force, embodying absolute power and agility in the natural world. But their significance doesn't end there. These formidable predators have also solidified their status in the luxury fashion industry, contributing to a staggering market value of $9 billion annually. Let's uncover the mysteries and irresistible allure of these apex predators. In recent years, China has witnessed a boom in crocodile farming, transforming these facilities into massive operations that meet the growing demand for crocodile leather and meat, both domestically and internationally. With impressive scales, many farms span over 100,000 square meters, housing tens of thousands of crocodiles, fueling a thriving and ever-expanding industry. This is not just a story of farming, but a testament to the ambition and rapid development of modern economies. In addition, in countries like Thailand and Vietnam, crocodile farming not only brings significant economic value, but also holds a deep connection to local traditions. Farmers here utilize natural water bodies or mangrove areas to create habitats for crocodiles, striking a balance between nature and commerce. Crocodile eggs are a cornerstone in maintaining and expanding crocodile populations in farms. To create the ideal breeding conditions, farmers carefully prepare nesting areas, covering them with thick layers of sand to mimic the natural environment. This step is not only critical, but also the secret to ensuring the survival and robust growth of the next generation of crocodiles. Interestingly, the temperature during egg incubation can determine the gender of the hatchlings. Lower temperatures result in mostly female crocodiles, while higher temperatures produce more males. This is a factor that farms must meticulously calculate to ensure gender balance, supporting the sustainable development of the crocodile population. Harvesting crocodile eggs is a challenging task that demands agility, precision, and exceptional skill. Farmers must quickly approach the nests before the mother crocodile detects them and becomes aggressive. Often, strategies are employed to temporarily drive the mother away from the area. With their fierce instinct to protect their nests, mother crocodiles are formidable adversaries, turning every egg collection into a heart-pounding confrontation between humans and these fearsome predators. After being harvested, crocodile eggs are transported to specialized incubation facilities where temperatures are maintained between 29 degrees and 34 degrees, with carefully controlled humidity to optimize hatching rates. The incubation process lasts between 65 and 90 days, a period of anticipation before welcoming a new generation of crocodiles. Once the hatchlings break free from their shells, they are moved to modern rearing tanks equipped with clean water and spacious areas, providing the ideal environment for healthy growth. The diet of young crocodiles is meticulously crafted, featuring protein-rich meals such as small fish or minced chicken. Feeding schedules are adjusted accordingly, typically once and 2 times a day during their early stages, ensuring they absorb the necessary nutrients for rapid growth. Crocodiles grow at an astonishing rate, especially during their first 2 to 3 years, reaching lengths of 1-2 meters and entering maturity, ready to play their role in the ecosystem or contribute to a highly valuable industry. As crocodiles mature, their diet undergoes significant changes to meet their evolving nutritional needs. Their menu includes fresh meats such as chicken, chicken necks, and larger fish. Unlike their younger years, adult crocodiles are typically fed 2-3 times per week due to their slower digestion compared to other animals. However, each meal must provide food equivalent to 10% of their body weight, an essential factor in maintaining the health and strength of these formidable predators. After meticulous care and dedication, the time for harvest finally arrives. Depending on demand, crocodile farms leverage their potential in various ways. The primary focus is on supplying young crocodiles to breeding facilities, expanding the scale and development of farms. Additionally, mature crocodiles are sent to professional processing facilities, where they become premium raw materials for the luxury fashion industry or gourmet delicacies, contributing significantly to economic value. The process of skinning and processing crocodile meat in factories is a sophisticated operation requiring modern technology and expert craftsmanship. Crocodile meat is carefully classified into parts such as tail, back, and legs, known for their tenderness, low-fat content, and high nutritional value. Each stage of the process is executed with precision, ensuring optimal quality to meet the growing market demand. Crocodile meat is meticulously packaged for a variety of purposes, from gourmet cuisine to specialty food production. The entire processing chain operates in a closed environment under strict supervision, ensuring that each final product meets the highest quality standards and delivers complete satisfaction to consumers. Preparing crocodile meat requires meticulous attention to preserve its unique flavor and natural tenderness. Proper cooking techniques, combined with the right seasonings, not only enhance the flavor, but also transform the meat into unique, delectable dishes that leave a lasting impression on diners. This is the secret to elevating crocodile meat into a world-class culinary experience. Crocodile meat offers endless cooking possibilities, from grilling to steaming or frying, with each method accentuating its distinctive natural flavor. Even with just a few basic seasonings, this meat can be transformed into a delicious, nutritious meal that satisfies even the most discerning palates. Crocodile leather is regarded as one of the most luxurious and rarest materials in the world. Celebrated for its unparalleled durability, supple texture, and distinctive natural patterns. A handbag or belt made from crocodile leather is not merely an accessory, but a symbol of prestige, with prices reaching thousands of dollars. As such, this precious leather is always in high demand among top global fashion brands. With its exceptional qualities, crocodile leather has become a prized commercial material, contributing an impressive $7 billion annually to the global economy. From high-end fashion to luxury goods, this rare leather not only exudes sophistication, but also plays a vital role in the global industry. Handbags crafted from crocodile leather are the epitome of elegance and luxury, featuring exquisite craftsmanship down to the finest detail. Owning a crocodile leather product not only elevates one's style, but is also seen as a statement of status and personal prestige, leaving a lasting impression. However, the rapid expansion of the crocodile leather industry has not escaped controversy surrounding conservation and ethics. Many animal welfare organizations have criticized the practice, arguing that killing crocodiles for their leather and meat is inhumane. These criticisms have sparked debates and raised questions about humanity's responsibility toward nature. To balance economic benefits with environmental stewardship, many crocodile farms have pioneered sustainable practices, working closely with international organizations to ensure the conservation of wild crocodile populations. This is not just an effort by producers, but a collective responsibility of society to achieve harmony between development and environmental protection. The story of crocodiles is a vivid illustration of the complex relationship between humans and nature. Crocodiles, symbols of strength and survival, not only remind us of the wild's beauty, but also highlight the importance of responsibly managing resources to balance present-day benefits with future sustainability. Can we continue to exploit this precious resource sustainably, or are we unintentionally pushing crocodiles toward extinction? This is not just a question for the industry, but a wake-up call for all of us to preserve the invaluable gifts that nature has generously bestowed. The story of crocodile farming is more than just the rise of a lucrative industry. It underscores the importance of efficient and sustainable resource management. If you found this content informative and engaging, please hit like to support us, share to spread the word, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating insights into unique industries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next story. From the wild power of crocodiles in high fashion, dive into the ocean where lobsters spin a dazzling tale from seabed to feast. Stay tuned. Imagine yourself in a luxurious restaurant with a steaming bright red lobster right in front of you. You're about to take your first bite. But wait, did you know that this lobster may have lived for over 50 years before ending up on your plate? Why is this creature so expensive? Where do they come from? How are they caught? And what makes them so special? Let's find out. Lobster isn't just a luxury food. It's a symbol of the American seafood industry. Each year, the United States produces nearly 70,000 tons of lobster, with export values reaching over $500 million. The state of Maine alone accounts for up to 80% of that total, earning it the nickname, the lobster capital of the world. Lobsters are typically caught using sturdy steel traps placed on the ocean floor at depths ranging from 30 to 500 feet. Fishermen drop the traps and wait 24 to 48 hours before hauling them up, hoping to find lobsters inside that meet the size and quality standards. When the traps are hauled up, fishermen quickly measure each lobster. Those that are undersized or carrying eggs are immediately released back into the ocean, ensuring a sustainable lobster population. But wait, have you ever wondered why lobster is so expensive? Here's a shocking fact. Out of 50,000 eggs, only 2 lobsters survive to reach harvest size, and it takes them up to 7 years to grow big enough. That's why each lobster isn't just a meal, it's the result of a long and challenging journey. But it's not always just ordinary lobsters. Imagine you're a fisherman in Maine, waking up at 3 a.m., heading out on your boat in the freezing cold to check your traps. As you pull up a trap, you discover a rare blue lobster, only 1 in 2 million. Some fishermen believe these special lobsters bring good luck, while others see them as natural treasures and choose to release them back into the ocean. Would you do the same? Or would you sell it for thousands of dollars to a high-end restaurant? After being harvested, lobsters are carefully inspected to ensure they meet size requirements and are not carrying eggs before being prepared for transport. Those that pass the standards are placed in specialized, cooled containers to maintain maximum freshness on their journey back to shore. Lobster fishing season in the U.S. primarily runs from June to December, with peak activity in Maine when lobsters are at their best quality. Some areas, like Massachusetts, allow year-round fishing, but strict regulations on size and ecosystem protection must be followed to ensure a stable supply for both domestic and international markets. In some areas, lobsters are raised in sea cages, but this aquaculture industry faces many challenges. Lobsters grow slowly and are highly susceptible to disease, leading to low survival rates. Besides the challenges of catching and farming lobsters, the success of the U.S. lobster industry is also attributed to sustainable fishing practices that help protect the environment and maintain a stable supply. One of the key factors contributing to the success of this industry is the use of environmentally friendly fishing methods. Fishermen use specially designed lobster traps made of sturdy steel and covered with mesh to ensure durability underwater. Inside the traps, there are separate compartments to hold lobsters without causing them any harm. Fishermen strictly adhere to regulations on the number of traps allowed, typically ranging from 300 to 800 per boat, depending on the vessel size and licensing. These regulations help ensure fairness among fishermen and protect the lobster population from overexploitation. To attract lobsters, fishermen use natural baits such as herring, cod, or mackerel. The scent of the bait spreads through the water, luring lobsters into the traps. However, the traps don't always catch only lobsters. Sometimes fishermen also find other fish species that accidentally get caught. These fish can either be kept or released back into the ocean if they are not needed. These traps have one or more entry openings designed to allow lobsters to crawl in easily, but make it difficult for them to escape. Lobster traps are usually set in coastal waters at depths ranging from 10 to 150 meters, where lobsters are most abundant. Fishermen often choose areas with rocky seabeds and plenty of crevices, as these provide the ideal habitat for lobsters. Long ropes are used to connect the traps to marker buoys on the water's surface. The traps are deployed from specialized fishing boats and left submerged for 24 to 48 hours to maximize catch efficiency. After inspection, fishermen carefully secure the lobster's claws with rubber bands to prevent them from injuring each other during transport. The lobsters are then placed in specialized containers lined with damp seaweed or wet cloth to maintain moisture. These containers are kept cool, usually with ice, helping the lobsters stay alive and healthy throughout their journey back to shore. Lobsters can be prepared while still alive to ensure maximum freshness. Before being transported to the market, they are lightly stunned with cold water, and then the rubber bands on their claws are carefully removed. The lobsters are then manually sorted by size and weight, lifted onto conveyor belts, and transported to the processing area. To process and produce lobster products for export and distribution, each lobster is carefully transported and meticulously weighed to ensure the best quality for customers. After sorting, the lobsters are passed through an HPP, high-pressure processing machine, to verify that they are all still alive before further processing. The HPP machine applies pressure of up to 50,000 psi, processing the lobsters in just a few seconds. This is the fastest and most humane method for handling lobsters. After going through the HPP machine, the lobsters move on to the next processing stage. Experts begin by cleaning the tails and removing the intestines to ensure the final product meets hygiene standards. The processing plant has two main areas, one for live lobsters and another for processed products. Live lobsters are used to produce items such as frozen lobster tails, fresh raw meat, or whole frozen lobsters. Meanwhile, processed products are cooked, packaged, and ready for consumers. Other parts of the lobster, such as claws and bodies, are cooked using precise recipes and timing to ensure the best quality for each portion. Once cooled, the lobster meat is carefully extracted and thoroughly inspected to remove any remaining shell fragments or cartilage. This is a highly complex process that requires experience and skill to execute quickly and efficiently. All lobster meat is vacuum sealed and passed through the HPP machine once again to naturally extend its shelf life, ensure food safety, and maintain product quality. Every lobster dish not only delivers an exquisite flavor, but also showcases the artistry of its preparation, making it a true delicacy for any feast. With high levels of unsaturated fatty acids and low cholesterol, lobster helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, making it a nutritious and valuable addition to daily meals. The journey of American lobster is a perfect blend of tradition and technology, from trapping and sorting to a fully integrated processing system, ensuring the highest quality standards. More than just a luxury dish, lobster is also a symbol of resilience and innovation. If you love fascinating stories about food processing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos.